One of the largest freehold land launching in District 15, the Continnum at Thiam Siew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore more on the Continnum and find out the characteristics of this project and to see if this development will be suitable for you and your family. This is formerly the 22 plots of single-story pre-war detached houses and bungalow flanked on both sides of Thiam Siew Avenue. This land size of 263,794 square feet was won by Hoi Hub and Sunway via a public tender of 815 million back in November 2021, which equates to 1,488 per square feet per plot ratio, with an estimated break-even of PSF of 2,296. From initial info of what's going to be built, there will be altogether 6 blocks of 17 to 18 stories high, with 816 units in totality, with a conservation clubhouse. Large part of this development will be dedicated to landscaping, with a sky connector in 4 of the blocks with comprehensive facilities. What we can know from the location is that it's about 0.64 km to Dakota MRT and 0.87 km to Paya Lebar MRT. Primary school within 1 kilometer will be the Head Girls School, Kong Hua Primary School, and Tanjong Katong Primary School. And now for the main part. The Continnum will consist of 1 plus study and all the way to 5 bedroom. The developer will be also providing luxury provisions to all units like Vizup, Frankel, and so on. You may actually pause the video and to check out the number of units, sizes for each bedroom type. Floor plans have not yet been released at the point of recording this video. You may actually reach out to me to be updated once the floor plans are released. And we can actually see that most of the units are 2 plus study, 3, which makes up to be more than 50% of the units, with just 64 units reserved for the 4 and 5 bedrooms. What we can expect is that the 4 and 5 bedrooms on the higher floors to be taken quite quickly, as there's only very limited supply of such a size floor plate. The estimated preview will be on April, so do register with me to be updated on the finalized preview date so that you can be one of the first to visit the Showflat. On what to select and whether to purchase a unit in the Continnum is actually based on 2 important factors, which is the indicative pricing and most importantly the layout, which Hoi Hub and Sunway developments are very good at. My contact details are actually below. Do reach out to me and I'll be happy to supply you with the updated info along the way to the preview date. You can actually refer to my previous video on the Trinity of new launch in District 15. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.